Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to how to make a money system in your cat game that you made if you watched my other video. So, we're going to be making a money system. So first, let me just change this for a second. Okay, first we're going to be making a variable. Make a variable. Make it, let's see. Let's make it money. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, money. And make it make it for all sprites. Now you got money up here. So when your cat, let's say, no, right here. So if touching sprite 1, hide, wait. So before it hides, we want to, so first say set money to 0 and change money, shoot. So in the if statement, say change money by 1. Let's see if this works. Okay, so then if you're touching, see, now when you touch it, your money will go up. Okay, that's how you make like a money system. Oh, bye guys.